As the demand for energy-efficient lighting solutions surges in residential settings, low-voltage LED lighting systems have become a popular choice among homeowners. Professional electricians play a crucial role in ensuring the safe and compliant installation of these systems. Let's dive into the key considerations that professional electricians and electrical contractors should keep in mind when buying low-voltage LED strips, drivers, and wiring for residential lighting projects. First, electricians need to know the specific residential electrical codes in their area. Staying up to date with the latest code revisions and industry standards is essential for ensuring compliance and delivering safe lighting installations. When it comes to buying low-voltage LED strips, quality and certification should be high on the priority list. Look for LED strips that are certified by recognized testing agencies to meet safety and performance standards. Make sure the selected LED strips operate within the right voltage range for the low-voltage lighting system. And don't forget to consider the power rating to match the intended lighting requirements. Choosing the right wire gauge for low-voltage LED installations is a critical step. Using undersized wires can lead to voltage drop and create safety hazards. To avoid that, professionals must stick to residential electrical codes and manufacturer guidelines when selecting the wire gauge. Sometimes LED strips and drivers from different manufacturers may not get along well. So it's a good idea to check or test components together to ensure they integrate seamlessly and perform properly. And let's not forget the importance of correct installation techniques. They are absolutely crucial for the longevity and safety of the lighting system. Professionals need to follow manufacturer guidelines and industry best practices during installation. Professional electricians and electrical contractors play a vital role in making low-voltage LED lighting systems safe, compliant, and functional in residential settings. These experts need to prioritize quality, compatibility, and adherence to residential electrical codes. By making safety and compliance a top priority throughout the entire process, they'll not only have happy clients but also earn a solid reputation as reliable and knowledgeable lighting professionals. If you need assistance with your lighting projects, our team of expert engineers and electricians are here to assist you. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this.